The word Arabi can be translated in different ways. One of the meaning of Arabi is the thing or the language or the people who belong to the Arabian Peninsula. And the other meaning of Arabi in Arabic is a language which is absolutely clear and afsah wa ablagh. This is the best possible language to convey the meanings so clearly that nobody can misunderstand what is being said. So that is Arabiyyu Mubin. So this is the verse which points out to this quality of the Holy Quran. If a language was used which could miscarry the messages, which could confuse the issue, then how could people have aql? How could they have a chance to judge the message with their wisdom and rationality? So anything which is confused, which is not clear, cannot in fact be a fit subject for discussion for the wise people. So that is why right from the beginning the Holy Quran speaks of clearness of the message. ذَلِكَ الْكِتَابُ لَا رَيْبَ فِيهِ هُدًى لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. So Arabian, the word Arabian is also another expression of la rayb. It's a very clear language, and after this you must use your wisdom, your sense of right and wrong, your intellect. This is the meaning so that you may use your aql. Got it? If that is the question, then I have answered it. But if he had something else in mind, so please clarify it and then I will come to that.
Avez-vous autre chose en tête ou est-ce que la question a été répondue?
A different thing, yes.
Oui.
Y a-t-il autre chose plus profonde?
Oui. On a souvent l'impression, quand différentes personnes parmi les musulmans citent ce verset, que les uns et les autres ne pensent pas dans la même direction.
C'est-à-dire?
Ne pensent pas les mêmes choses, ne réfléchissent pas, ne comprennent pas les mêmes choses.
He said the question is that although the Quran has been revealed in Arabic, still people don't understand it in the same way. The directions are different, the attitudes are different.
Because you don't use rationality. God has coupled it. If a language is clear, but the man whom you are addressing has no wisdom, then he will not understand. So both the need for revelation and rationality are mentioned in a combined, interdependent manner in this verse. Unless you use your wisdom, you will not receive any message. If you have wisdom, then this message will not fail you, because it's very clear. Right now?
Right.
Good. Thank you. Please.